We are here to test this portable UVC light that you can use to sanitize things coming outside of your house and bringing them into your home. Now, the box has a instruction manual and a UV test card where we can test whether the UV light is effective. So it has a charging cord and it uses 4 AA battery. So I have here 4 AA battery to test the unit. Probably the charging cord is can be used for if you are going to use rechargeable batteries. So I have now placed the 4 AA batteries. So this is just easy to operate. You just have to press for 3 seconds. You can see now the light, and now we will test the unit if it is effective. So we'll just place this on the test card for about 5 to 10 seconds, and depending on the gravity of the UV light, the test card should change its color from white to at least medium violet. So here's the result now. As you can see, the color has changed. Uh, the color has changed again. Let's repeat the test. It's white. Place the light for about 10 seconds. You can see if the unit is fake or not, or if it is effective. So the color has changed from white to at least violet. So now, as a safety measure, do not look into the UV light. And as a safety measure of this unit, it has a light now, but if you turn it upside down, it will turn off immediately, and it will turn on once you put it upside down again. So, thank you and good day.